Oh my God, I finally found the largest, high-quality neon light factory in Vietnam. Currently, the factory is producing 1,000 LED neon light sets per day, an incredibly impressive number. The factory is spacious, covering an area of 4,000 square meters, and is equipped with various types of machinery operating continuously to fulfill orders. The production material storage area is neatly organized, with ample packaging materials to ensure safe delivery of products to customers. The quality inspection area before delivery ensures that customers can be completely confident in the product quality. Vietnam is known for being a hub of handcrafted products, with skilled workers who are meticulous and have a strong sense of aesthetics. It seems that every worker here is a true artisan. The factory has a customer service department that provides excellent support, including design assistance. It's very easy to contact them via messages, email, or WhatsApp. The payment and shipping process is also very simple, fast, and convenient. It supports quick payments through popular payment gateways and bank accounts for both businesses and individuals. By sourcing from this company, you can purchase high-quality products at affordable prices from a verified factory. You can also learn more about them on their website, fan page, or by sending a message for immediate support.